guys, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and this is Prerna. And if you are new to this channel, please hit like button to this video and please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. So yeah, in this video I'll be showing you up all my lip balms that I have, and also these lip balms are so much affordable and comes under 200 rupees. So I'll be showing you all the lip balms that I have and I use in my winters to avoid the chapping of my lips. So let's get started with this video. So I just want to show you all the lip balms that I have kept in this container. So I will be showing you up one by one. So first of all, I will be starting with randomly any lip balm. These are not, I have not listed them as my favorite. I will be showing you up randomly that comes into my hand. So let's begin. So first of all, I will be starting with this Nivea Essential Care Lip Balm. So I know most of you are aware of this Nivea lip balm because Nivea products are so great, so affordable. And this is the clear lip balm. I just want to show you. So this is the clear lip balm and I use it at night whenever I feel that my chips are so chappy, so I just use this lip balm. This is the clear lip balm, does not harm your lips at night if you use this at night. So all the prices I will be mentioning in the description box below, so you can definitely check that description box. So first of all, I just want to talk about this lip balm. This is so good lip balm and you can definitely try out this in winters. So next thing that I am talking about, another lip balm that is also from Nivea brand. So this is the lip balm that is in the soft rose tinted color, and this is also from Nivea brand, as you see here. Yeah, but the color as it shows, the pink, light pink color, but I just want to tell you that it is not a very good lip balm. If you want to avoid this, you can definitely avoid this lip balm. I have so many complaints regarding this product, and I have also made a video on product empty. So there I had talked about this product, that I will not repurchase this product in the future in my life ever again. So this is the another lip balm from Nivea that you can definitely skip. So yeah, this was the second product. Then third product I just want to show. This is from their baby lips range and it's a quite a good lip balm. I just want to show you the color and texture of this. Yeah, so this is the texture and color of this lip balm. Its texture is so very soft, and when you apply it on your lips, you will feel that there is nothing on your lips. So you can definitely try this out. It is from Maybelline brand and I like this lip balm so much that I am addicted to it, and I just apply it under my any lipstick. So it is the another lip balm. Then next thing I just want to talk about is this. So this is the lip balm from Himalayas. So yeah, it is their strawberry shine lip care range. So this is from the Himalaya Herbals. Yeah, so I just want to show you like this. So it is quite good and it is my recent favorite, guys. So it is my recent favorite. I can't live without this lip balm in this winters. So definitely you should try this out, and it gives little amount of tinted color onto your lips, some red color. So it is a very good lip balm, and yeah, below any lipstick you can also apply this. And also I just want to tell you that it gives us the fragrance of strawberry and also the taste of strawberry. So it is quite a good product. I just want to show you is this. So this is from the Eva brand. Yeah, so this is from the Eva brand and it has fresh lime fragrance to this lip balm, and it also gives us color, tinted lip, pink lip color it gives us. But you can definitely skip this lip balm because of the aftertaste of this lip balm. The taste, the whenever you will apply it onto your lips, you will feel that you have applied some I don't know what, but it gives us the fragrance which any French cream, hair removal cream gives us. So yeah, I don't know why it just gives us that fragrance. So it is quite awkward that you just feel that you should not apply it again and again onto your lips. So I'm regretting that I just purchased this lip balm. So definitely you can skip this lip balm. Next I want to talk about is this is the Kiss Frizz cooling explosion lip balm. So it is also a very nice lip balm, and it is silicone and paraben free. So it is also a nice product, and it just opens like this as lip guard opens. So yeah, it opens like this, and whenever you will apply this, it will definitely going to give you some cooling explosion, as if you have applied some ice onto your lips. So it is definitely gonna give you some cooling explosion. So if you want to try some cooling explosion, you can definitely try this. And this is from the brand Chronocare. Yeah, so this is from the brand Chronocare, their Frizz Kiss Cooling Explosion Lip Balm. Nice name. So yeah, this is another product. Then next product here is, what is this? Okay. Okay, what is this? Can it be applied onto your lips? So guys, I just want to tell you that my daughter kept this thing into this container. Actually, this is the eraser that she has got recently. I don't know why she kept. So next thing I just want to show you is this lip contour balm. So this is the lip contour balm. This is from Just Herbs, and I like this product so much. I swear by this product. This lip balm is so good. Also, it is parabens free and no mineral oil. So I like this lip balm so much, and at night whenever I go to sleep, I just apply this clear lip balm, and it melts onto my lips so really well and absorb really well. So you can see that I have finished the container. It is just halfway around. So yeah, it is the another lip balm. This is lip contour balm actually, and it is in the marigold mango flavor. So it is another good lip balm. Then last but not the least, the last lip balm is this from the Joy Lip Guard. Yeah, so this is the lip guard, and it is coming in vitamin E and fruit extracts in it. So it is also a good lip balm, and I keep it in my wallet. I mean, I keep it in my bag, my purse, so that I can apply it anywhere. This lip guard because he can't use those lip balms, so he just rely on this lip balm, lip guard. So it's always in his wallet, in his bag. So yeah, you can also try this out. It is also good. Guys, it was my quick video on all the lip balms that I own, that I have, and I rely on during winters. So yeah, if you like this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please hit like to this video, and this video with your family and friends, so that they can get the knowledge that which lip balms are very much affordable in India and available in India. So yeah, hit like button, and till then, stay beautiful, stay stylish, and keep subscribing me. Bye, take care. Bye.